Are you using AI as effectively as you could be? Probably not. So in this video, I'm going to reveal 3 simple concepts that any level of programmer can do, and then I'll show you some of my favorite AI tools that I use every day. I'm a computer science student and 99% of my friends don't use these simple tricks, but I'll walk you through them so that you can catch the AI wave too. But first, let's talk about what has AI changed in the recent years. So ChatGPT was released in November of 2022, which was almost 2 years ago. And now we get a totally new experience of programming. You don't have to search for hours for a solution, you just ask the chatbot and it does everything for you. So now we got used to it, and it would be awesome if it was just like that simple and easy, but it's not the case. AI has brought some serious problems which especially have a negative impact on new programmers. So what's the issue then? Well, new programmers are being taught every single day, and some of them are discouraged to use AI, and they are told to do everything by themselves as if they can magically know everything, right? That doesn't make sense. So some of them are going to probably use AI either way, or they are going to be scared. And those who use AI will probably be blindly copy-pasting what they get, or they will never learn how to structure a good prompt. And those are 2 big problems. So some of them are learning AI and some of them are not, which creates a big gap. And those who manage to leverage all of the possibilities of the new technologies will then succeed in the real world, and those who don't will not. So here are some tips that will help you close the gap or even get ahead. But the first question you must ask yourself is, are you scared or confused about AI? If the answer is yes, then great. I was scared of AI at first too, and when ChatGPT came out, I just couldn't get used to it at all. I asked it something and I got a response that didn't really fit my needs, so I ended up going to Stack Overflow to find the answers. But that was old me. You know, AI is here to stay and you need to embrace it. The biggest change about my view on AI happened when I learned how to structure good prompts. And I guarantee that if you use this simple formula, you'll get better responses instantly. But first, let's ask our favorite chatbot to make a website, and we'll compare the bad prompt and the good prompt, and we'll see if you can spot the difference. So I hope that you guessed that the longer one is better, and now let's see what a good prompt needs. So as you can see, it's really clear and direct, made out of simple sentences that are straight to the point. You can also see that there's more context, and it's essential because the more information you give, the better response you will get. It's like giving it a map to a treasure chest with much more detail. So you have a higher chance of finding what you want. As you can see, we also structured it into 4 separate prompts because single tasks work much better. Remember also that chatbots are made for conversations, and they will get better and better the more you talk with it, and you will get more accurate responses. But that's just prompting, and now we need to fix the blind copy pasting that you're probably guilty of. When I got better at prompting, I felt like I could do literally anything. But the problem was that I didn't understand a single thing. So the best way to fix that is to change the way you're thinking about AI. Think of it as a private tutor which has infinite patience and has read the whole internet. Nice, isn't it? So ask it a ton of questions and then read and read and read what it has to offer. And then you will skyrocket your programming skills. But even though you get better and better at programming, there are still some things that you need to keep in mind. New tools are coming out every day and you need to stay on top of them. My favorite one is GitHub Copilot. It's really like a ChatGPT built in your IDE. And a cool alternative is JetBrains AI, but I prefer the GitHub Copilot because it's free for students. So don't miss out on any of these tools, and I guarantee that you will never be outperformed by anyone ever again. Also, keep an eye on Devin. It's a crazy new tool that just came out, and it's a bit crazy what it can do, but that's a whole nother video. If you want to be even more productive with your work, I encourage you to watch this video on systems. See you in the next one. Bye.